Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Now let's start off with those gas prices. Motorists will face a second consecutive week of increases at the pumps. Now effective Thursday, a litre of 87 and 90 gasoline will sell for $2.06 more. Diesel will increase by 95 cents. Ultra-low sulfur diesel will go up by $2.25. Kerosene will sell for $3.06 more. $1 will be added to the cost of propane, while butane will go up by $1.10. Now each gas station will make these adjustments to their rates, which include a markup to the ex-refinery rate offered by Petrojam. Now what all of that means is that after primetime news, you may want to head to the pumps to ensure that you get the prices today, because effective tomorrow, they're going to be higher. Now, just some other news. The Jamaica Stock Exchange, JSE, has signed a Memorandum of Understanding, MOU, with the Nairobi Securities Exchange, NSE, in Kenya. Managing Director of the Jamaica Stock Exchange, Marlene Street Forrest, says the collaboration presents the prospects of increased South-South partnership.
We have similar products and services, and we want to leverage on those. We want to look at what you have, what we have, and how we can come together and ensure that the benefits are for both the Jamaica Stock Exchange and the Nairobi Stock Exchange, and in fact, signaling to the world that South-South relationships will work. We are looking at the training institute. We're also looking at the derivatives market.
Meanwhile, the chair of Kenya's Capital Markets Authority says the partnership will include some strategic opportunities.
Some of the key areas highlighted for collaboration include capacity building, including knowledge transfer through secondment of staff, joint training programs, and possible cross-listings. A memorandum of understanding is a solemn document that binds parties together, instigating them to act according to mutually agreed expectations. The interesting part of an MOU is that while it may not necessarily be legally binding, it is a deep expression of willingness to operate and relate to each other collaboratively on mutually agreed terms.
Let's head to the foreign currency market now. The US dollar is being sold for an average $155.47. $116.72 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar. The average cost for the pound is $196.44, while the euro is selling for $172.50. And the JSE index gained 761 points today, while the junior market index increased by 5 points. Among the 47 winners were Elite Diagnostic, Cargo Handlers, or parent company Radio Jamaica Limited, Caribbean Flavors and Fragrances, and Stanley Motor. The 39 losers included ISP Finance Services, iCreate, AMG Packaging and Paper Company, Blue Power Group, and The Lab. Now 23 stocks closed the session at the same price they opened trading on Wednesday. And that's the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Good evening.